Back to the charts with Big Boss Crypto, bringing on a day trading analysis on Bitcoin and on Chainlink. Bitcoin is moving sideways and preparing for a big move, either to the upside or to the downside. I think we have one more leg to the upside to go. But where is the targets and where do we go from here? Well, let's look at the charts. So if we zoom out on the Bitcoin chart and see where we are currently in the possibly third and final leg to the upside. As you know, the market maker structure usually looks something like this. W bottom, first leg up, first retrace, second leg up, second retrace, third and final leg up, double top formation, and price reverses in 3 steps to the downside again, and then the move starts over and we go to the upside again. So currently I would say we are in this point right here. As you can see, we created a double bottom formation, had our first leg up, first retrace, we had our second leg up. In April we had our retrace down to 25k, and I would say possibly that we are set to go to minimum 34k. But we could go even up to 40k because the third and final leg is usually a blow off top where we consolidate in this top area around 40k, and that is where I possibly think we could reverse to the downside. So minimum target could be 40k. If we zoom in a bit for the day traders, the targets to the upside are, first one is this volume candle right here at 30.6k up to 31.3k. If we consolidate or either retrace to the downside, the next target could be down to 27k or 26.9k, because we have a lot of volume candles in this zone right here on the daily time frame as well. And we could go down all the way to this low right here at 24.8k and still be in a wave to the upside, basically. So if we break 24.8k, this structure is invalidated and we are not seeing 40k in a while at least. So look out for this. We need to break this high pretty soon, I think this week or next week, the 31.5k high, local high, before we can say that we're going to 34k. If we don't, and if you zoom in a bit, you can see that we formed somewhat of a double top formation on the lower time frames. So we could, if we break this low right here at, let me draw it out for you, 29.5k, I do think we will recover this volume candle to some extent, at least go down to 27k before we go to the upside again. That's something I'm looking at least. So a 1 hour candle close below this point, 29.5k, could give us a 27k Bitcoin in the near future, and that could be a great shorting opportunity for you. If we take a look at the news events for this week, not much going on. We have the CPI numbers on Wednesday. That's a big one. So Monday and Tuesday quite slow, but on Wednesday we have the CPI numbers coming out, which could rock the market. So moves coming in today and tomorrow could be in preparation for Wednesday. So if you see a quick pump to the upside, wait to place your trades after Wednesday's release of the CPI numbers, and vice versa. If price dumps immediately down to 27k before Wednesday, we could see a reversal after Wednesday. Could be a possibility. So if you aren't in any trades, wait for that. Not financial wise, you do whatever you want to do. So if you take a look at the liquidation map, you can see not much liquidity in the chart from the price point where we're at right now, around 30k. So to the downside is a cluster at 26.5k approximately, a big cluster. So a lot of people will get liquidated if price moves to this point right here. And at 24k we do have a big pile of money for the market maker to grab, which we could move to at some point, but as I said, if we break 29.5k, we could see a price reversal down to 26k, 26.9k. But you have to wait for confirmation, not financial advice, just for educational and entertainment purposes only. Let's take a look at CHAINLINK. So CHAINLINK has shown us a nice structure here. As you can see, a big drop to the downside. We had a double bottom formation, and we moved out of there, recovering this volume candle right here. As you can see, it was quite a big one, but as I always say, all volume candles get recovered at some point, and it did. So currently we had our first leg up possibly, and we are currently in our first retrace before the next move up. And as you know, it happens in 3 steps, so we could see something like this going on, but I'm not seeing that quite of a low move, if I say so, to the upside. I'm seeing $8.5. I'm gonna show you why I see $8.5 minimum for CHAINLINK in the next move up. But the move could look something like this, where we have a double top formation and move out of there the same manner all over again. You know the market makes structure by now. But if you zoom out a bit or look at on the daily time frame, you can see that we have been in this range from $6 up to $8.5 for over a year. So if you've been trading this coin CHAINLINK, you could have made a lot of money swing trading this, going long at $6 or building your longs at $6 and taking profits at 8.5 and going short around $8.5 or building your shorts. And what I mean by building is that you set 3 orders, one let's say at $8.5, one at 8.8, and one at $9. So if you get all of them filled, you write them out and set your stop loss around $10 in this case. So if you have up $90 in your account that you're willing to lose, or if I say so, you divide it by 3 and set $30 here, here, and here. I think you get the point. Not a nice drawing for you, but $30 on each order, and then you ride out to the downside and take profits around $6, and you build your longs in this area as well and ride it out to the upside. So currently we are around $6. You could have started building them already last week, and that's something I've done. At least I had an order set here at $6, an order at 5.5, and I even got some bids at $5, and I'm set my stop loss at $4.5. That's what I've done. And when I saw this double bottom formation and this wick right here, so that's something you could look at as well if you find this structure interesting, because we've been in this range for over a year. We went into this range on May 9th, 2022, and we've been around this area for a while. As you can see, some spikes lower, some spikes higher, but we've been in this range nevertheless. So this was not financial advice, this was just for education and entertainment purposes only. Please like and subscribe if you like this video, and we'll talk to each other on Wednesday. See you soon. Big Boss out.